may mga nakita na akong pwesto. Yung mga nakita ko ma-approve sa Ocular ni JC Premier. Hi mga Zoobs! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat! Ngayon alam nyo, marami kaming pupuntahan na pwesto or lugar. Itong video na to ay para doon. Hahanap na naman kami ng pagpupwestohan namin ng Siomai King. Kasi isa pa lang yung nakikita namin pwesto dun sa Batangas, diba? Ngayon naman mag-a-add kami. And pupunta kami sa mga market. Ito, ang pangalan daw nito ay Star Market. Kaya tignan natin kung pwede ba dito ang Siomai King natin. Imimit ko doon yung kababata ko, si Jay. Napanood nyo siya sa vlog namin nung nakaraan. Nakapag-usap kami na yun nga, meron daw mga pwesto na baka gusto kong i-check. And makakamiting natin syempre yung CEO nila doon ngayon. So, wish us luck. Sana makakuha kami ng magandang lugar at mataong pwesto para sa aming lumalagong business, ang Siomai King! Yay! Kaya samahan nyo kami sa araw na ito, sa journey namin, dahil marami kaming gagawin at pupuntahan. So, see you there!
I need time, just a little more time. I need time, I need time, just a little more time.
Nandito tayo ngayon dahil hanap na tayo ng pwesto para sa Siomai King.
Just a little more time. I need time. Just a little more time. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Next to you. Can I get up next to you? Up in the middle of the night texting you. Sky's looking clear for the night, set for two. Gotta mix a Henny with the Sprite, set the mood, set the mood, set the mood. Yeah, you're nice. You can have my heart, just name the price. Trying to get a grip, you became my vice. Need a piece of your love if you save the slice.
And we are done. Medyo snippets lang yung napakita namin sa inyo ha. Kasi wala pa masyadong tao dun sa palengke. Usually daw, ang mga taong nagpupunta dun ay gabi. Nagpe-prepare sila ng gabi, tas mas madaling araw kasi parang bagsakan siya ng mga goods like meat, tsaka mga gulay. So, tingnan natin kung yung may mga nakita na akong pwesto, yung mga nakita ko ma-approve sa Ocular ni JC Premier. So, gusto ko mag-thank you kay Sir Shred at syempre kay Jay sa pagsama sa amin for today. And mga Zoobs, update namin kayo kung ano yung magiging resulta dahil ang ganda ng location nila. Sana talaga, di ba dati?
Ang daming tao. Actually, kasi sabi nila 3 PM hanggang mga 3 AM, di ba?
9 AM.
9 AM.
Kasi ang mga tao namamalengke ng pagkagising talaga nila kasi gusto nila fresh.
But as we were leaving,
dami nang tao Naglalagay na sila ng mga ititinda nila kasi bagsakan na daw ngayong mga hapon, ganitong oras, alas 3. So yun, nakakatuwa kasi kung magkakaroon kami ng maraming spot or pwesto sa ganung lugar, parang feeling ko pwede naman. Sana, let's pray for it. Ipag-pray nyo din kami mga Zoobs dahil very positive yung lugar na nakita namin for the day. And now, after namin doon, on the way kami ngayon sa gym. Dediretso na kami dahil gantong oras. May bantay naman si Mimi sa anak namin. Tsaka on the way din naman pabalik sa aming bahay. Kaya mag-gym muna kami. Kaya dumilim. Sa ilalim kami. Ayan, maliwanag na. Okay? So, gym mode muna tayo. Hi mga Zoobs! Ayan, fresh na tayo, nakaligo na rin. Diba nanggaling tayo sa gym, naligo kami agad dahil meron kaming dinner. And sorry na agad direct kasi sobrang traffic. Pupunta pa naman kami ng M House. Ito ang bahay ni Direct Mark. Seafood party ito. And sobrang na kaming gutom kasi hindi kami talaga masyadong kumain today. Especially ako. Ikaw kumain ka diba kanina?
Oh yeah, but not a lot. It was, you know, all I had was beef steak, egg, and then before the gym, protein shake lang.
Yes, ako naman konting-konting salmon with broccoli tapos fruits. Kasi nga 'di ba omad ako, so parang talagang kung kakain ako dahil gabi nga kasi. Oh, gabi kasi ang hirap na kakain tayo ng gabi. So ayun, pinaghandaan ko po itong dinner na to. Dinner meeting to actually. Maganda yung pag-uusapan namin tonight. And I wish I can share it, pero hindi pa pwede. Sa mga susunod na araw na lang, guys. Malay nyo pwede na.
Pagkaraan ng 300 metro. Kumanan sa Acacia Avenue.
10 minutes away pa pala tayo. 10 minutes away pa, guys. Kayang-kaya na namin to.
And that's it for another vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And it was a big night for us and a very exciting one, although we didn't get to shoot the footage that we wanted to because it was more of a private dinner with a private group of friends. We did share some pictures, but we didn't really want to video anything else because we're working on something and it's been a project that's been in the making pretty much since we arrived back here in the Philippines. And it's something that actually started years and years ago. But of course we were in Australia, so now it's finally taking steps forward. But yeah, like Diana said, we cannot share it yet because, like I said, it's in the process. So hopefully we'll be able to show it here in the vlog soon and share the exciting news. But for now, we'll keep it as a secret until it's on paper and ready to go. After that, we had to battle the rain. It was very, very rainy on the way home. It was actually hard to see while driving. And we ended up going to Seda because Paul and Jen were back and they were staying there at Seda. Ima went there by taxi to take care of the kids while we went out. So we went out to Solaire North, which we've been actually once before, I think. Potentially twice. Once or twice, I think. I just can't remember now. But it's actually a really nice place and we went there just to hang out, have some fun. And we did get there quite late. It was almost, I think, nearly midnight when we got there. So we ended up staying up quite late and we had some drinks, we had some fun and a lot of great cuento, tapos, ayun, a lot of laughs. So that ended up, and I think we got home around 3 a.m. and we still had to get ready and pack because we had a trip planned. So, as you know, this ending is usually a couple days late because minsan I don't get the time to do the ending. But we had to pack and get ready for our trip. So we're off to Nueva Ecija. We have a trip planned with the kids. And Paul and Jen are also coming. Yeah, so that's tomorrow and we hope you're excited for it. So for now, it's good night. See you tomorrow.